Welcome to Rakibul Tech Tips. Today I will show how to set a PIN or password on your Windows. At first, go to the settings, then click on accounts, scroll down, then click on sign in options, click on password, then click on add. Here set a new password, then confirm it. Password hints will help you to remember your password if you forget. So this is my password hints. Click on finish. If it doesn't work, scroll down. Here you can find additional settings. Here select when PC wakes up from sleep. So this is our today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.